Want to make money on YouTube without showing your face or filming complex videos? With AI-powered apps and just your iPhone, you can create engaging content that generates income. Let's break it down step by step. First, pick a niche. AI-generated videos work great for motivational content, AI-generated storytelling, tech and product reviews, business and finance insights, and educational explainers. Choose something that's in demand and aligns with your interests. Now let's create a video using AI apps. Here are some powerful tools available on iPhone. First, AI script writing. Use ChatGPT or Notion AI to generate video scripts. Second, AI voiceovers. Try Speechify or 11 Labs for realistic AI narration. Third, AI video generation. Use CapCut, Pika Labs, or Kyber AI to create engaging visuals. Finally, AI thumbnail design apps like Canva or Remini can generate eye-catching thumbnails. Once you've generated content, edit it using apps like CapCut or VN Video Editor. Keep it engaging by adding background music using smooth transitions, and adding text overlays and captions. Now it's time to upload. Optimize your video with a compelling title with keywords, a catchy thumbnail, and well-researched tags and descriptions. To start making money, join the YouTube Partner Program by reaching 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. You can also earn through affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and selling digital products. With AI tools and your iPhone, making money on YouTube has never been easier. Be consistent, focus on quality, and let AI do the heavy lifting. Ready to start? Hit that like and subscribe button for more AI content creation tips.